The government order dated 17/8/2002 clearly provides for selection of fair price shop agent for a village panchayat by a resolution of the village panchayat in its open meeting full stop. A limited exception to this normal rule in public interest has been provided in para 11 of the aforesaid government order, which authorities district magistrate to direct for allotment of fair price shop on recommendation of committee constituted as per the government orders under the chairmanship of the UP Jila Adhikari, where a village panchayat either does not pass a resolution or where there arises dispute in passing resolution. Except in these two circumstances, district magistrate or the committee constituted under the chairmanship of UP Jiladhikari have no authority to make allotment of fair price shop in any village panchayat without resolution of the village panchayats in its open meeting as per statutory provisions including Rule 46, 46A and 46B of the UP Panchayat Raj Rules 1947 full stop. Having clarified the legal position as aforesaid, now I proceed to examine the validity of appointment of the respondent number 7 full stop para. It appears that the district level selection committee took up the matter and invited applications by advertisement dated 8/8/2016, subject to the condition that applications for agents for those village panchayats shall be excluded from lottery where selection is made by village panchayat in its open meeting full stop. There were 2 to 9 vacant fair price shops full stop. Block development officer have provided details of 84 fair price shops where village panchayats have selected fair price shops against agents in their open meeting full stop. Thus 145 village panchayats were liable to be considered for selection of agents through lottery full stop. For 15 fair price shops merely single applications were received and as such there was no need for lottery. With respect to these 15 fair price shops full stop, no applications were received. For fair price shops of 8 village panchayats full stop. Thus 1 to 2 fair price shops in different village panchayats were liable to be considered for selection of agents through lottery by the district level committee pursuant to the advertisement dated 8/8/2016, which included in village panchayat in question village panchayat where an open meeting was held on 8/8/2016 and a resolution was passed proposing the name of the respondent number 7 for appointment as fair price shop agent full stop. The proposal of the village panchayat was approved by the Tehsil level committee and appointment letter was issued by the SDM Sadar Vasti on 31/8/2016 full stop. It appears that due to inadvertence the fair price shop of village panchayat could not be excluded from the list of village panchayat for consideration of the district level committee for appointment of fair price shop agents through lottery full stop. Under the circumstances when the error came to the notice of the authorities, it was rectified and the appointment of the respondent number 7, which was made on the basis of his selection by the village panchayat in its open meeting, was continued, which does not suffer from any illegality. Submission of learned counsel for the petitioner that once the petitioner has been selected, full stop.